Ever wondered what a motion to strike is in an FDCPA case? Today we delve into the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or FDCPA, and unravel the concept of a motion to strike. This is a tool wielded by the plaintiff to challenge the affirmative defenses brought forth by the defendant. It's a critical part of the chess game that is civil litigation. So that's the basis of a motion to strike. But how does one argue that these defenses are insufficiently pleaded? Enter the Twombly standard, a key player in our scenario. This legal benchmark demands that a complaint must state a plausible claim for relief. It's not enough to just allege wrongdoing. You've got to show that there's a reasonable expectation that discovery will reveal evidence of illegality. This standard is a critical tool in civil litigation, ensuring that cases have merit before they proceed. In an FDCPA case, it's the sieve that separates the wheat from the chaff. Now that we've got a hang of what the Twombly standard is, let's see how it applies to our case. So, how can a plaintiff use the Twombly standard to argue that the defendant's affirmative defenses are insufficiently pleaded? Well, the plaintiff could begin by scrutinizing the defendant's defenses. Are they mere legal conclusions, or do they provide factual content that allows the court to draw the reasonable inference that the defendant is liable? If it's the former, then they may not meet the Twombly standard. Next, the plaintiff can argue that the defenses fail to state a claim to relief that is plausible on its face. If a defense is presented as a bare-bones assertion, without any supporting facts, it may be deemed implausible. In an FDCPA case, the plaintiff might also highlight any inconsistencies in the defendant's defenses with the law's provisions. If a defense contradicts the FDCPA's requirements, it could be seen as insufficiently pleaded. And there you have it. That's how a motion to strike works in an FDCPA case under the Twombly standard. So let's summarize what we've learned today. A motion to strike targets insufficiently pleaded defenses, guided by the Twombly standard, which demands plausible claims for relief. It's a potent tool in FDCPA cases. Remember, understanding these legal processes can give you a leg up in any FDCPA case. Stay curious and keep learning. Reach out to Residual Joe for more educational tools.